I'm William Nozak, and today I want to talk to you about Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing is still viable. It's still super successful for a lot of businesses, but there's a certain way you have to go about it. Once upon a time, you could post tons of information in your channel, in your feed, and it would bleed over to people that don't even know your business. What's crazy about this also though, is if I have 100 followers following my business, right? They're following my business page. Not even all of these 100 people will see my posts, because what Google or what Facebook realized is that these people really, even though they're following you, not all 100 of them really want to see your business information. They want to see the information about their friends, things they're really, really interested in. So we're not even getting a one-to-one here for natural followers or likes. So businesses have to pay to play. Now, there is a sequence, right? We want to sell our product, we want to sell our brand, we want to sell some service on Facebook. First, we have to grow these followers. So we need to create content worth sharing. This is not a soft sell. This is not a hard sell. This is infographics, content from other sources and resources. Information that people are like, wow, I need someone else to see this, or I want to share this to show that, look, this is important to me, it may be important to you. We get this content we're sharing, and then we boost it, right? Just a small boost. And we slowly trickle in likes, followers. We slowly grow this. Why are we trying to grow this? Because once we get this up to like 2,000 to 5,000 subs or followers, now we have a lookalike. Now we have an audience that's truly interested in our product, service, or business. So then we can start doing Facebook marketing, right? We want to boost content, first create content that's worth sharing, boost it to get people to follow the channel. Once people have followed the channel and we now have a good chunk of followers, and even more than that 5,000, 2,000 to 5,000 on the low end, now we have a group then we say, this is the group of people we're looking for. Now we can start to market to them. Now this is different than remarketing, right? People hit our website, we've got some type of IP tracking, boom, they go to Facebook and we follow them with our ads. We certainly always want remarketing on. But when we're using Facebook marketing, there's a sequence of events that have to take place before we can have successful marketing in Facebook. Look, if you're looking for a book that talks about these things, covers all these topics for digital marketing, we have one. It's at Amazon. Check out Search Hustle, Digital Marketing Strategies.